Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders as well as some chunky glitters. So let's get started. So here are the powders that I will be using today. These are from the brand Cuccio Pro, and the first shade is the baby sky blue. Next is in the shade Bite Your Lip. And I'm also going to use some chunky glitters that I got from eBay. And for the liquids, I will be using the Cuccio Pro Base, Layering Gel, and Activator. So to start off, I will be applying a nail dehydrator to all of my nails. This will remove the natural oil on my nails. Then after that, I just pour my powder into the powder tray and apply a thin layer of the base to my nails, and then immediately dip my nails into the powder and tap off the excess. So for my pointy and middle finger, I will be using the shade Bite Your Lip. So then after the first layer, I brush up all the excess powder and move on to my layering gel. If you are using a different brand, this is just basically another layer of your base. So again, I apply a thin layer of the layering gel and then dip my nails into the powder and tap off the excess. And I am applying 3 layers of this shade. So then once I'm finished with the third layer, I brush up all the excess powder and move on to the shade Baby Sky Blue. So again, I apply a thin layer of the base to my nails, dip it into the powder and tap off the excess. So I'm using this shade on my ring, pinky and thumb. And I'm also going to apply 3 layers of this to my nails. So then once I'm finished with the third coat of Baby Sky Blue, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to my chunky glitters. So I will be applying these chunky glitters on my pointy and middle finger. So again, I apply a thin layer of the layering gel and then place the chunky glitters randomly on my nails. So once I'm happy with the placement of my chunky glitters, I move on to my clear powder to encapsulate my nails. This will protect the chunky glitters and the color from filing and buffing. So then once I'm finished with my clear, I brush up all the excess powder and move on to the activator. So I apply a generous amount of the activator to all of my nails, and this will harden the powder and make it ready for filing. So after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush off all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. And then next I move on to my Miss Nails No Wipe Top Coat. So I apply a thin layer of this to my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. I've been using my Miss Nails No Wipe Top Coat all the time just because I'm not really a big fan of the powder top coat, and also it's just a personal preference, but obviously you can always use your deep powder top coat if you want to. So then once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil to rehydrate my nails, and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next video.